Installed a Bosch dishwasher and it beeps twice when I hit the power button and the display does not come on. It won't run either.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I just bought it, let me go get the model number.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
SHXM4A55N.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I would like to do it if it doesn't void the warranty.
Hi, please disregard the phone call offer from the site unless you want one. I am not asking for it. Please wait for my response as it takes time to type. First, try to unplug the unit or shut the breaker off to the unit for 2 full minutes to reset all the controls on it. See if that changes the condition and let me know. Hi there, I was just touching base with you because I have not heard back from you and the question is still open and unrated. If you could use the star rating link at the top of your page, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.
I did what you suggested and now the machine doesn't do anything. You wouldn't even know there is power to it. I hope it didn't fry the board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.